Hi everybody, I'm Christian Macia, a senior graphic designer here at ResultsIQ, and we help bridge marketing, sales, and technology to get better results to our customer, right? And I came here to show you how to create this great text effect in Illustrator, right? But let me show you first another way to do this effect. Let me write ResultsIQ. There is an old way, and I want to show you this way because if you are doing this, this will be a great new for you, right? And if you are a designer who do something like this to create this effect, you need to stop. There is a better way, faster. This takes so much time. You know that, right? So to create this is really easy. So let's start from the beginning. Let's write something, ResultsIQ. And let me change the color, or beige color. I love that color. And then go to appearance window. If you can't see this window, you can open it from here, window and appearance, right? If you press here, you can see this window here. So the next step is create a new stroke. In this button, you create a new stroke. This is the new stroke. You put this guy below from character section, right? I want to change the color from orange and maybe make this stroke border like 7. You can choose whatever you want. This doesn't affect, right? Okay, and then what we need to do is create a new effect. Here you create a new effect. Then we go to this turn and transform, and then to transform. When you press transform, you can see this window. As an example, please add 1 pixel here, 1 pixel here, and 1000 in the copy box, right? And that's it. Now, make this a bit funnier. I pressed the letter E, and I'm moving this box from here, right? Sorry, from here, exactly. To make it a bit funnier. If you like it, please give us a like, follow us, share the video with people who can be interested about it. And if you want to know more about us, just visit us in our website. It's ResultsIQ.io. It's really easy, ResultsIQ.io. So thank you and see you soon.